We have important news that might change the way you use Samsung's foldables, especially the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. You see, even though the S series is now taking the legacy of the Note forward, but everyone knows that the Galaxy Z Fold series is better poised to push the ideals of the Galaxy Note further. Samsung wants to reduce the crease on the screen, which is about time, and they also want to improve the cameras as well. They did improve the cameras with the Z Fold 4, but it lacks a key feature in modern flagships, the periscope zoom camera, so I hope improving cameras means including this camera on the Z Fold 5. Now, to reduce the weight, Samsung has asked its suppliers to include a new lighter vibration motor without affecting the quality. Samsung expects Apple to enter the foldable scene in 2024, but with tablets instead of iPhones. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is only a few months old, but reports about what's in store for Samsung's next foldable are already emerging. The Galaxy Z Fold May 5th have a slot for storing Samsung's S Pen stylus. Suggest a report from Korean news outlet The Elec an addition that would make it more useful as a note-taking device. It would be a small but important change that addresses one of the Z Fold 4's shortcomings and cements its place as a successor to the now extinct Galaxy Note family. The Galaxy Note debuted in 2011 and set the stage for today's large screen phones or pockets. Samsung has similar ambitions for its foldables lineup. Just 3 years ago this category didn't even exist. While a report doesn't outright say the Z Fold 5 will have an S Pen slot, it suggests that is being heavily considered. Samsung reportedly cited the introduction of an S Pen slot as a key challenge that needs to be overcome to make foldable phones more popular, lighter in the crease, less noticeable. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 far away from the launch, but the rumors wheels are starting to pointing out that what is going to be potentially coming in the Galaxy Z Fold 5, basically the major update that we could receive in the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5, or will be in the camera department and in the processor department. The Z Fold 5 has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and the S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, so Z Fold 5 has the more up-to-date newer processor. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.